Hello, today I'm going to give a quick introduction about Deye hybrid inverters. This is a top view of Deye Industry Park in Ningbo City, Zhejiang Province of China. This PPT includes 3 parts: specification comparison, comparison conclusions, and advantages analysis. This page tells main difference among major hybrid inverters brands on the market. The green part indicates the Deye hybrid inverter has advantages compared with other brands. The first green term is 120 April, which is maximum charging and discharging current of Deye 5 kW hybrid inverter. For others, most of them below 100 April. With this feature, Deye 5 kW hybrid inverter has 5 kW output power in off-grid model. Secondly, next term is the startup voltage of 125 volts, which means Deye hybrid inverter can start up at 125 volts of DC input voltage. Others are 150 volts. And thirdly, Deye hybrid inverter supports 208 and 240 output voltage, suited to American grid standard. Plus, new term is product weight. Deye 5 kW hybrid inverter weighs only 20.5 kg, which means one person can carry it easily. From the previous page and other features, their main advantages as below: maximum DC input power of 6,500 volts, the DC-AC ratio up to 1.3, higher charging and discharging power of 120 April, 5,000 volts in off-grid model, independent grid and DC generator port, more convenient to connection. Built-in DC generator control interface, including dry contactor output. Deye hybrid inverter can use DC generator charging the battery and power the load. Ensure your system working within 7 days, 24 hours. Also, Deye hybrid inverter adopts drop control technology to realize multiple inverters work in parallel model for single-phase system and 3-phase system. Another highlight offers 6 time periods for battery charging and discharging to reduce your electricity bills. With colorful touch LCD, it tells energy flow information in real time, easy to read and operation. From this page, it tells more clearly and vivid about Deye hybrid inverter features, such as colorful touch LCD, DC-AC ratio of 1.3, drop control, and so on. Why do we design DC-AC ratio of 1.3? With this feature, it is allowed users connect more PV module when needed. Also, it is capable to compatible with double-sided glass solar panel. So users are allowed to choose various kinds of PV module. As we all know that under conditions such as the low irradiation solar panel, attenuation, dust shadow, cable loss, and so on, there is about 15% energy loss for the solar system. In this situation, more solar panel connected will improve power generation efficiently. Deye hybrid inverters integrates an independent grid port, backup load port, and a DC generator port. Plus, the DC generator also can be used as input or output port. When as the AC input, it can connect a microinverter or string inverter. When as output, it can be used to power the load. We call it a smart load. Also, there is an on and off switch on the body. It will be very easy for end user to turn on and turn off the inverter. Deye hybrid inverters completely compatible with DC generator. Generally speaking, almost all brands hybrid inverter is allowed to connect DC generator to power the load. We call it bypass function. However, 19% of storage inverters do not support use the DC generators to charge the battery. In other words, it only utilizes DC generator to power the load. Thanks to Deye hybrid inverter has independent DC generator port and grid port, connecting DC generator becomes easy. Also, there is a dry contactor for controlling DC generator, switch on and off. It allows hybrid inverter to control DC generator automatically. When using DC generator to charge the battery, the hybrid inverter can turn off the DC generator automatically when the battery SOC is up to 95%. Time of use. There are time-independent electricity tariffs on many countries. Residents pay different price for their energy consumption at different times of day. Below picture shows time of use tariffs applied in Australia. For this situation, Deye hybrid inverter allows user to see the time for charging and discharging battery, reduce energy cost. There are 6 different time periods in total for a whole day. So it means the user can charge the battery at a low price and use it when the price is high. The hybrid inverter is able to connect the window tuber as well. When connected the window tuber, users need to see it on the LCD screen. Generally speaking, the window energy is more sufficient at night. However, there was no solar anymore in the evening. But if we using the hybrid inverter, it can produce energy at night as well. What's more important, it supports 1 MPPT for PV module and another 1 MPPT is for window tuber energy. Here is the system diagram for connecting window tuber and the solar panel together. AC couple model. It is used to retrofitting existing solar system to energy storage system, which is capable to area with low FIT and a high energy price. And the Deye hybrid inverter working as a battery charge controller in the system. In this application, an external CT is needed to detect the energy flow direction in the system. Also, there is another different AC couple model for the hybrid inverter. In this system, we can see another string inverter or microinverter connects the hybrid inverter via the DC generator port. And the string inverter output of energy can be used to charge the battery or power the load. This solution is more flexible when no matter the grid is present or cut off. An important technology is drop control for the hybrid inverters. In previous page, the microsystem isolating model, the hybrid inverter adopts drop control technology to establish and regulate system voltage and frequency. At the same time, the string inverter connected work in PQ model. If needed, the hybrid inverter is capable of a cut-off string inverter connection to maintain system stable. The right picture, it tells how the system responds to the needs of external loads. And the hybrid inverter absorbs or releases power according to the system running states. The left diagram shows there is a linear relationship between system voltage and the frequency for additional generator and characteristics. And the right diagram shows the basic principle of drop control. The hybrid inverter supports maximum 16 pieces in parallel. The below diagram is for the single system application. As we can see, there is a 3 pieces hybrid inverter connected and 1 unit battery connected, and all the output ports are connected together. The system diagram is for single-phase system. The master hybrid inverter measure and calculate voltage and current and send it to slave hybrid inverter by communication cable. With this feature, it ensures each hybrid has same output power in parallel system. As for 3-phase application, the system connection almost the same. The difference is 1 pieces hybrid inverter connector L1 and the other 2 pieces hybrid inverter connector L2 and L3. All the hybrid inverters support set parameters and the firmware update remotely via Wi-Fi or GPIS data log. Generally speaking, it takes 20 minutes to complete the firmware update. With the help of a remotely platform, Deye engineers can help customers conveniently. Also, for users, they could check their solar station by mobile phone or PC at any time and anywhere. On the platform, system information is displayed completely and vivid. The right picture is from the smartphone app monitoring. This page shows the monitoring platform of a website interface of setting parameters for Deye hybrid inverters. Deye hybrid inverters has colorful touch LCD screen and buttons, providing comfortable user experience. On the LCD, you can see clearly system states such as PV information, battery information, grid information, and load information, and so on. When there is a fault occurs, the LCD will tell us fault code, and the alarm indicator will on. Also, it will send a message to the platform if you connected a data log. Deye hybrid inverters 4 series from 3.6 to 8 kW with IP65 protection degree, which is able to adapt to harsh environment. From the below pictures, we can see the power inductor is placed separately from the main PCB with the glue field. It will greatly decrease the heat and the noise. The hybrid inverter can adjust its output power by installing a CT or energy meter in order to realize zero export function. The hybrid inverter also features high power density with a lightweight and compact size. From below picture, we can see the hybrid inverter 5 kW model is weighs only 20.5 kg and 0.042 cubic meters. One person can carry it easily. Plus, other brand hybrid inverters are more bigger in size and weight. This is all. Thank you.